This is the Grylls Compact Fire Starter. Stash this tool in a pocket or attach it to a keychain or backpack for quick access. The simple two-piece design makes it easy to use, even if you're working in the cold or wearing gloves. It's made from anodized aluminum and textured rubber for strength and grip. With a water-resistant design, it even works in the rain. Bear's Priorities of Survival Pocket Guide will show you how to do it, and this tool will help you get it done. This is the Grylls Compact Fire Starter.
At the top of the TruArc line is the 20. This compass is designed for people who have a lot of gear and are in situations where their equipment needs to withstand serious abuse. With the rugged design and inclinometer, it's also a great tool for outdoorsmen, foresters, landscapers, and contractors. All the features of Brunton's best compasses are here, including the Ever North magnet and the global needle. Another great feature of the 20 is that once you've set your bearing, you can access most of the features by opening the sighting mirror. And when you need to adjust declination, plot your route on a map, or do anything more involved, it's simple enough to remove the foot and reveal a leveling bubble and map magnifier. You'll also find a series of reference cards with measurement conversion tables. The TruArc 20 is a professional-grade compass for rugged, wet, dirty conditions. In short, the 20 is what makes a Brunton a Brunton.
Introducing the Surviveware Small Waterproof First Aid Kit. 600D TPU material. With premium quality internal supplies. A durable and compact first aid kit. IPX7 certified waterproof rating, designed to protect your supplies. Perfect for hiking, backpacking, and outdoor adventures. Its many features make it the perfect companion on your outdoor adventure. 100% waterproof. Because this kit is so well organized, it becomes your guide during an emergency. Invest in an organized system for your safety. Surviveware. Our kits do the thinking for you.
The Katadyn Gravity BeFree 3-liter water filter has you covered. It stores enough clean water for your base camp needs with easy clean filter technology that protects you from harmful organisms like protozoa and bacteria, whether you're filling up at a stream, lake, or other questionable water source. When you're whipping up a meal for the group or just hanging around camp, the filter's free flow channels allow you to access clean water fast and easily. It's simple to clean and lightweight with no need for backflushing or extra tools. It's the only microfilter that cleans easily with a shake or a swish through your water source to remove dirt and debris. The hose and carry strap make it easy to fill up before you head out for a day on the trail, and will keep your pup hydrated too. So on your next camping trip, don't worry about where your next drink of water will come from.
This is the Pack Hatchet by Gerber. Chopping wood is an essential task whether you're a camper, hunter, or backpacker. We designed the Pack Hatchet to deliver unparalleled control and close-up operations through finger grooves just below the bit. A tall blade grind affords geometry for optimal sharpness and edge durability. It features a corrosion-resistant stonewash finish and a rubberized grip. Full tank construction equals durability and in-hand balance. With both a lanyard hole and a nylon sheath, the Pack Hatchet offers custom carry and multiple mounting options. It's offered in flat sage and coyote. The Pack Hatchet gives you enhanced control and versatile carry in a compact format.